In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk upload Reels in Meta Business Suite. If you manage a lot of short-form video content, this feature can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of uploading each reel one by one, you can bring several videos into Meta Business Suite at once, add the details for each one, and then publish them more efficiently. Let's walk through the process from start to finish in a simple, easy-to-follow way. First, open Meta Business Suite and head to the Planner section. This is where you can manage and organize your upcoming content. The Planner is especially useful because it gives you a clear overview of your publishing workflow, so it's the right place to begin when you want to upload multiple reels together. Once you're in the Planner, look for the Create Post drop-down menu and click on it. This menu gives you different publishing options, and from here, you'll be able to choose the specific bulk upload tool for Reels. Next, select Bulk Upload Reels. This opens the Bulk Upload Composer, which is designed to help you upload and prepare several reel videos in one session. If you're posting content in batches, this is where the process becomes much faster and more streamlined. Now click Add Videos. This will open your file browser so you can choose the reel files you want to upload. Select the videos you'd like to include. Before doing this, it helps to make sure your files are already finalized and easy to identify, especially if you're uploading multiple clips at once. That can make the next part much smoother. After your videos are added, go through each reel and add a description for each one. This is an important step because every reel should have its own caption or supporting text. Take a moment to make sure each description matches the video it belongs to. If you're preparing a batch of content, staying organized here helps avoid mix-ups and keeps your messaging clear and consistent. Once everything looks good and all descriptions have been added, click Publish. This will send your Reels live through Meta Business Suite. And that's it. That's how to bulk upload Reels in Meta Business Suite. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to quickly review your uploads before publishing to make sure the right videos and descriptions are paired together. A short review can help you catch small errors before your content goes live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.